Hello students, welcome to Mathematics of Class 5, Chapter 3, How Many Squares. Let's continue our exercise.
Hand on the square sheet on the next page. See, the next page the square sheet is given now, so you have to put your hand and trace it. Okay, this is just an activity, you understand and do it. How will you decide whose hand is bigger, your hand or your friend's hand? Okay, so you have to put your hands also on your square sheet like this. Here I will put my hand the same way. You will also your friend will also put his or her hand and trace it. Okay, and then measure it. Understood? Now, what is the area of your hand? Write it here. What is the area of your friend? Write it here. Okay. So आपको दोनों का एरिया फाइंड करके देखना है और पता करना है कि किसका हैंड का मेजरमेंट ज्यादा है. Okay, it's just an homework. Okay, but see, what more thing has to clear in your mind. Whenever you write the area answer, it comes after square centimeter. Okay, area का unit क्या है? Square centimeter. And what is the unit of perimeter? If it is in centimeter, so just write centimeters in meter, so just write meter. Okay, but area में आपको square के बाद centimeter और meter जो भी है वो लगाना है. ठीक है, don't forget to put it. Okay, the next one is here. It's also activity. This one, next page. My footprints. So what is the girl say? Boy said, my footprint is longer. The girl said, my footprint is wider. So whose foot is a bigger? See, the boy footprint is longer and the girl is a wider. And उसके footprint wider है. ठीक है? So whose footprint is larger, your or yours friend? How will you decide? Discuss is the area of both your friends. So this is also an activity. Okay, so you can try at home. Let's go to the next page now. So this is just for understanding. There is a pretty kind. My skin has many folds, so I have big area. This way, the air all over me keeps me cool. Who says baby rhino? Okay. So baby rhino का skin बहुत folded होता है तो what the rhino says, I have a big area of the skin, right? Now what I say, what is the area of my footprint? Have you seen the footprint of the elephant area like this way? It's so large, na? Because the elephant is also very large. Okay, so the footprint area is also very large compared to other animals. So what is the area of my footprint? Who said this? And so you can think that this here. You can think the ant area is very small, right? Ant is actually very small. The footprint is also very small, very tiny. We can say. Yeah. So let's see. Guess which animal's footprint will have the same area as your skull. Okay. So just has to think है आपके जो footprint है कौन सा एनिमल है जिसके दोनों का एरिया सेम होगा दोनों के footprint का एरिया सेम होगा. Just has to think. Now here are some footprints of animals in actual size. Guess the area of their footprints. Okay, see here the hand is given and this is the footprint of hand. Okay, you can think always the area is in the square units, so here the square box is drawn and drawn the area of hand. This is the footprint of hand. Okay, now see here this is the dog and this is the footprint of the dog. Understood this? So you have to guesses about it. Okay, let's see here. So make a big squares and rectangles like this to find the area faster. See here the large size of the picture tiger footprint is given, right? Tiger footprint दिया है in the bigger size. So you have to find the what has to find the area of it. Okay, so how can you find it? So instead of making 1 2 3, you make the square or rectangle like this way and count the area of this footprint. Okay, so this is your homework. Okay, so you will do it by own. Are you clear this? This is for just fun. Okay, are you clear? Okay, what is the area of this triangle? See, can you see this area? Can you see this rectangle? Okay, so can you see the inside this triangle green color? So what is the area of this triangle? She is asking to this boy. Okay, now what the boy said, the triangle is half of the rectangle of the area 2 square centimeter. That means the rectangle area is 2 square centimeter. That means this is 1 and 2. That means 2 square centimeter, right? So the triangle is half of this, right? Triangle उससे half है. So the area is dash square centimeter. So what is the area? What is the half of 2? That is 1. So the area of the triangle is a 1 square centimeter, right? So everyone write down here 1. Okay. So now next one. See. Is this square half of a big rectangle? Can you see this? This is the rectangle and can you see this shape which is half of the big rectangle? So what to do? How can we find it if it is half or not? So when we count the area, that we come to know that it is half or not. Okay. See here. So its area is dash square centimeter. If it is half or not, then we have to count the area also, right? So how can we count it? So let's see here. See, this one is the full square box that we count as a 1, right? Then see this one. This is more than half. This portion is covered more than half. How can you come to know it? Say this is the square. Can you see my pencil? Okay. And this portion of the colored portion is covered more than half. So that we can count as a 1. Okay. So that 1 and this one is 2. The box in the square, the portion of the shape which covered more than half part, that we have to cover as a 1, that we count as a 1. Okay, usko 1 की तरह हमें full count करना है. Now see this one, this is also covered more than half part, only this much is remaining, right? So this also count as a 1, that is 3, 1, 2 and 3. Now the next portion is also covered more than half part, only this remaining, so I count as a 4. Okay, now what about this? Will you count this? No, because only in the square, आप देखिए square देख रहे हो, उसमें से only this portion is covered by this figure, right? So we don't have to count because it's a less than half. ये line देख रहे हो ना, वो half हो रहा है square का, ये उससे भी कम है. That means the portion which covered less than half in the square, we don't have to count. We have to ignore it. Okay, that is the rule to count the area. Okay. So what is the first rule? You have to count the full box, right? And second, when the covered more than half part, that also you count as a full. Okay, पूरा ही उसको count करना है. Then the third rule is when it is covered less than half, we don't have to count. उसको हमें count नहीं करना है. How it's covered, that you understand? This is the square and only this much portion is covering in this square. That means that is a less than half portion, so we don't have to count. One more rule is that if the square is covered exactly half, like this way, see, if it's covered exactly half, so that half and half we have to count as a 1. As you know that na, 2 half will make a 1. Okay, so that 4 thing has to keep in your mind. Okay, let's see next one. So the area of this figure is 4 square centimeters. See this is 4 is written, the square centimeter, right? Okay, so let's see next one here. Write the area in square centimeter of the shapes below. See, that means here the measurement is given in square centimeter. Okay, so it may be happen the area is in square meter also, in square kilometer also, as depend on the area. Area कितना बड़ा है उस पर depend कर रहा है, ठीक है? But here the exactly the measurement is given square centimeter. Okay, see this one now. The figure A. What is the area of the figure A? So how can you come to know? In your book, the blank portion is given in this color, right? So what to do? First, you have to draw the line with the scale and make a square. Okay, so everyone do it fast. In A and B, you are having the blank figure, right? So you use a scale and draw the line. Okay. Afterwards, we will count the area. Are you clear? Everyone do it fast, then we will continue. So I hope everyone has drawn the lines. Okay, so why we have to draw the line? Because in the area we have to count the squares, because area is always in square unit, right? Okay, so what is here? The figure A. So how can you count the area? Just now I explain you now. First what to do, whenever you have to count the area, you write down the number, so it make easy for you. See, I have written here 1. This is the full square, I written 1. And this is also full square 2. This one is 3. Now what about this one? See, this, can you see the square box? It's covered more than half part, only this much is remaining, right? Only this much is remaining, right? So I count as a full, that is 4. The same way here also, it's covered the more than half part of square. Are you clear? So I count as a 5. If the square, the any shape is covered the more than half part of the square, that you have to count as a full. Now this 6 also covered more than half part. So look it properly, observe it properly and write, that is 6. Okay, now what about this? Is it covered more than half part? No, it's covered less than half part, so we don't have to count. And this also not covered more, it's covered less than half part, so we don't have to count these two boxes, right? So the area of this triangle is 6 square centimeter, and you must keep this in your mind, area is always in square unit. So after the counting number, you must write the square and then unit is centimeter. Here I have written in the short form. SQ means square. You can write this way also. You can write in the full form also, square centimeter. Are you clear this? Okay. Okay. Let's see the B. Count the square. Okay. What to do? First you have to count the full square. Okay. And you note down the number. You write down the number so you will not do any mistake. See, this one is 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the full square, right? Now what about this? See. Can you see this? These are covered only half half. इसका भी half है. This is also half. So this two half will make one. So I written as a 5. The same way here. This also covered half half on both the squares. So I written as 6. This one is 7 and this one is 8. Now what about this? These are covered 1/4 portion, ना? Square का 1/4 portion covered हो रहा है ना? See here, I found the square here. Yeah. Total is a square. I make the 4 parts. So this is the 1/4 part, right? So 4 1/4 part will make a 1, right? So that is the, what is the area of this shape? 9 square centimeter. Understood? So everyone write down 9 square centimeter. Clear? See, here this cover the more than half portion, so I written as 3, and this also cover more than half, I written as a 4. Okay, so will you count this? No. See this, in this square, this is a less than half, this is also less than half. We don't have to count. So the answer of this C figure is 4 square centimeter. So you keep this in your mind. Okay, okay. So let's count the D now. Are you clear the C figure now? Okay, now let's D1. See this D1. So first you count the full square, 1, 2, then 3, 4 and 5. Then after it, see, this is exactly half. See in the textbook. This is also exactly half. So 2 half will make 1, so I count as a 6. So answer is 6 square centimeter. Don't forget to write square, yeah? Only just write 6 centimeter. This considered as a perimeter, right? Perimeter में हमें square नहीं लिखना होता. When we write the answer of area, so we write the answer in square, centimeter or meter or maybe kilometer, right? Okay, let's see the figure F first. Okay. Yes, see the figure F now. Okay, F we count as a full one, 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? Now see this. Can you see this portion that covered the more than half part? So I count as 5. The same way here, the 6, this one 7 and this one is 8, right? Now what about this? This is this covered as a less than half portion of the square, right? So we don't have to count. The same way, this all are covered the less than half portion, so no need to count. The figure F's area is 8 square centimeter. Are you clear, everyone? Now see, this is the figure E. So everyone has drawn the line. So it's very easy to count it. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we have written all the full boxes, that is 8 square centimeter, right? What about half now? Okay, so this is exactly half. So we count as a 1, 19. This and this also exactly half. So it will be 20. And this both are also exactly half. So we count as a 1, that is 21. So the figure of E answer is 21 square centimeter. Okay, everyone clear this?